Alright, I am back. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to package your JavaFX application into an executable file. So actually, this is requested by this channel. So what tool should we use to package our JavaFX application? So what I have here, I have Advanced Installer and Install4j Multi-Platform Edition. You can also, you can request an open source license at their website. So I also have jar2exe packager. jar2exe packager can create an exportable executable file, but I did not install it in my system. So I will be using the advanced installer because it has more features than the Install4j. So I'm going to close this tool. Alright, so let's go to our IDE and we will build the application. So let's try to run this first. Alright, what we have here is the close button and the minimize button. Alright, so let's build the application. Click that. Alright, build successful. So let's go to our advanced installer and I'm gonna choose the installer category and I will change this to architect. So, and then create project. Alright, so this is the product details and I'm gonna change this to sample application and version 1. So my company, KensoftPH. So support link, you can add your website here or else. So help link, so for example I'm gonna add my website, https kensoftph.com, and contact kensoftph.com. This is just an example. So readme file, you can add the terms of conditions or etc. So I'm gonna add an icon here. So I'm gonna put some icon. I'm gonna choose the icon extension. So I'm gonna choose this 256 pixels. Drag and drop. Where is it? Alright. I'm gonna rename this to icon and minimize it. Let's go back. So let's add the icon here. Like that. And this is for the control panel. Disable. How about this? Override Windows installer program list entry. Alright. Use a single uninstall change. Check that. So next part, digital signature. You can enable the signing or your certificate for your application. So I'm gonna enable mine and I'm gonna choose my certificate from Windows Key Store. You can also create your certificate here if you have a key tool application. So I'm gonna choose the KensoftPH, this one. Alright, Next, updater. If you have updater in your application, you can use this updater feature here. You can add a download link here. I think it's the download link. I forgot, so I can show you a video. For example, this one. All right. You can add your download link here. I mean, not this one. This is the configuration file. So, all right. I'm gonna show you later how it works, the updater. So let's go back. Let's go to upgrades. This is the upgrade. I'm not gonna tackle this one because it's about the updater. Licensing. I'm not gonna tackle next. So in our resources, let's go back. Let's go here, Java products, and right click, new Java product. Let's say Kensoft PH. All right. Settings. Let's add a GRE bundle here to run our application. Nope. Cancel. Let's go here first, and we'll choose the 64-bit because I have a 64-bit GRE single instance. So let's add our jar file. Right click and add files. NetBeans. Where is it? Close it. This one. This is the jar file. Click on that and OK. Choose the main class. This is my main class. So type graphical user interface. Alright. So display the icon, file icon. So let's go here and choose this one. Let's go back to the settings and add the GRE. So click on this and choose the 64-bit GRE. Alright, so I'm gonna pick one of here. Okay. Alright, so let's go back to our file and folders. So what we have here, the generated exe file and in our GRE bundle. So I'm gonna generate a shortcut file like this. Let's say Kensoft PH sample app. It's a long name. All right, let's add an icon. Okay, and we'll move this to the desktop folder. So if it is installed, then the application shortcut will be on the desktop. So another one for our start menu shortcut, Kensoft PH sample app. Click the icon, hit on OK. All right, I think this is it. So let's go ahead to what else? Install parameters. Okay, so you can pick here. I'm gonna choose this 64-bit and organizations. I think it's not necessary to do that. So go on builds and we'll choose the single exe setup, resources inside, and the output. I'm gonna choose the output to desktop and exe name, sample app, setup, let's say setup or installer. So choose the icon, exe icon, and archive installation files using, choose this one, and I think that's it. So analytics, you can track your application, if who installs your applications. So let's go ahead on prerequisites. Come on, it's not responding. You can add a free prerequisites here. What the? What else? Java, right? I'm not gonna do that. Launch conditions. You can uncheck one of those. Minimum version, system requirements. So themes. So I'm gonna choose the surface and choose this one. Set as current. Change theme. So I'm gonna change this icon right here. More options and app logo. So alright, so I'm gonna drag an icon here. Let's change this PNG 50. Alright, why it's not showing all files? Okay, so let's go ahead on dialogues. You can customize the dialogue like this one. You can also change this advanced installer to like Kensoft PH, like this one, right? This is a watermark or something. So that's it. I'm not gonna explore more. Slideshow, translations, you can do whatever you want here. Environment and whatsoever. So let's go back to our product details and check everything. Everything is fine, I think. Alright. Edit, alright. Okay, everything is fine. So let's go on build and check. Okay, go back to product details and build the application. So let's save it on the desktop. Alright, it's building now. Okay, let's wait until it finishes. Okay, we are using the LZMA archive to minimize the file size. creating exe file. Could not set the icon to the package. Why? Alright, it's okay. Hit on OK because built successfully. So close, minimize. Alright, maybe this is the reason it did not change the icon. That's fine, not a big deal. So click on it, and let's go to properties and check if the digital signatures is fine. Alright, name of signer, Kinsoft PH, cancel. You can ignore, or how you call it, you can skip this one. You can skip the digital signature if you don't have certificate. So let's run our application. Let's install. So this is the application name, sample, and this is the company. I think this is the company. So agree and install. So this is the certificate. All right, I'm gonna choose yes. It's installing now, so we'll wait until it's done. Why it's taking a long time? Come on. My laptop is showing its age. Alright, it started running now. Okay. Updating component registration. Come on, hurry. Hurry. Copying new files. This is the Kinsoft PH watermark. Alright. Sample application has been successfully installed. Alright, finish. This is the icon right here. And we'll check the control panel. Okay, we have our application here, sample application. Publisher Kensoft PH, size 204 MB, version 1. So I'm gonna close this and we'll go to our program files. This is 64-bit application, so I'm gonna choose the program files, and we have the publisher name and the application name. Here we go. So let's try to let's go to the start menu. If we can find our app, so recently added, so search Kensoft sample app. Right, let's run. Oh man. Alright, the application is running. Minimize. Oops. Kensoft. Alright. Close. So that's it. I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you in the next video.